Hello, fellow gamers. Today, I'm really angry. You won't believe how angry I am. I'm so angry right now. I think I'm going to play Phantom Forces and take my anger out on many people. Actually, I don't know what game I'm going to play. Hello parkour underscore loser first direct. Oh, and also, no, this isn't gonna be a it's gonna be Phantom Forces gameplay, but this is like, it's gonna be like a video, like with gameplay background. I'm able to play stuff. Alright, so there's this thing called the thick leg trend. Well, I should say quote unquote thick leg trend, because it's not actually thick. So first of all, if you don't know what it is, here. I spelled Roblox wrong. I keep spelling things wrong. Why hasn't anything come up? Why did I put trend in there? It does not look good. It doesn't, like, here. You see that, alright, so, and then you look at, that, and, oh god, never mind. Hold on, I can't find this one image that looked. Listen, so, hold on. In real life, yeah, like that. Exactly that. But that's not the image. In real life, that's how it would look. I know this isn't real life, but listen, you don't look like a big butt. Ooh, how cool. My thing won't load. How about I just die right on the spot? No, but the thick leg trend, it's literally the worst thing that could happen. I'm not kidding, like, it's awful, yet it doesn't look, you just look deformed. That was embarrassing. But, like, you just look deformed. Just like, it's not good. And also, so online dating can be weird. And in the next video, I'll explain why online dating's okay. I made a video on it, but I don't think I uploaded it. But yeah, I'll explain that later. But online dating, so the thick leg trend is kids who are trying to have a big butt on a block game. Literally, like game. Why are you trying to have a big butt on